Morning everybody, this is Ashlee Miller. I am the director for the online school with GIA. I wanted to congratulate all of you for making it through your first week of online learning. Way to go. I also wanted to reach out to my middle schoolers because I know that some of the courses have been challenging, and I really wanted to walk you through how to use one of the resources that's available to you online. It's the Tutor Help button that's on every course, whether it's math, ELA, social studies, or science. It's always on your screen at the bottom right-hand corner, and it says Tutor Help, and it's blue. You can click on that at any time. All right, everybody, good morning. We are going to start with Mathematics 8. So I'm on this screen here. At this point, I've already gone to syslogin.edgenuity.com. I've put in my username and password. I've then clicked on Math 8, and I'm choosing middle school math because this has definitely been challenging for a lot of students. So I'm gonna click on a warm-up that's already been completed. As you can see here, there's a check mark. That means it's been completed. I'm gonna click on it. When I go to this warm-up, if I scroll down, look down here, this blue icon that says Tutoring Help. Okay, this is what I am encouraging all of you to use. When you click on this, a chat bar opens up. Okay, you can type in whatever the problem is. If you don't understand linear equations, if you do not understand anything that is being taught at that time, Edgenuity will be alerted of the exact lesson and standard that is on the screen at that time that you are struggling with. So we really want to encourage all of you to use this first because you will get an immediate response. Okay? The other thing obviously is that we want you going in and emailing your teachers. That takes a little bit more time. Your teachers are given 24 hours to respond. So that's why we're really encouraging you to use the Tutor Help bar. I wanted to make it really clear all of the tutoring resources that we have available to you. First and foremost, as per the video that you just finished watching, is the Tutoring Help button, which is absolutely awesome in Edgenuity. Please use this as much, as often as you feel necessary. The hours that someone will be able to respond quickly is from 5 to 7 Monday and Friday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on Saturday, okay? The next one is please email your virtual instructor. They do have 24 hours to get back to you, but they will get back to you and set up a meeting as they have availability. Finally, we have on-site tutoring available to all of you. And I know our middle school math, it's very challenging, as I said earlier. So please reach out to us. Monday through Thursday from 12 to 2, we have math tutoring. That's for our middle school grades. Then Monday through Thursday from 8 to 12:30, we have math 3rd through 5th and ELA tutoring 3rd through 8th grade. And Fridays, we have 8 to 12 for ELA and math tutoring. You can email me at amiller@giaowlsmail.com. Please reach out. There are so many options available to you out there. Please use them. And I really hope that this helps you with your courses. Thank you so much.